Welcome to my channel. I'm Sayaka. I was born and raised in Japan, but currently live in the US. Today, I'm going to do some meal prep and make 4 Japanese-style side dishes using vegetables I bought at the local farmer's market. In Japan, there is a meal style called Ichiju Sansai, 1 soup and 3 sides with rice. It's a simple way to eat healthy and balanced, but since it's hard to cook every day, many people make dishes ahead and store them in the fridge. Today, I'll try making 4 side dishes in under 30 minutes. Here are the ingredients. You can also find them in the description of this video. Alright, let's get started. Cut the purple cabbage into thin slices. Add some salt and leave it for about 10 minutes. By doing so, the cabbage softens up and the flavors come together nicely. In the meantime, peel the potatoes and cut them into small pieces. Cover the potatoes with water and cook on medium heat until soft. In the meantime, let's cut the seedless cucumber. I'm using 1/5 of the cucumber for the potato salad, and the rest will be pickled. Slice the cucumber. Sprinkle salt and set aside. That way, the cucumber releases its moisture and won't dilute the flavor. Cut the rest of the cucumber into bite-sized pieces. 2 tablespoons vinegar. 1.5 teaspoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon sesame oil, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 teaspoon Chinese chicken bouillon powder or mushroom seasoning. That's it. 1 meal done. In the meantime, peel the carrot skin. Use a grater to shed the carrot into bite-sized pieces. Add sesame oil to a frying pan and cook the carrots. 3 tablespoons sake, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon sugar, sprinkle sesame seeds. That's it. Another dish done. In the meantime, the purple cabbage is ready. 1.5 teaspoons olive oil, 1 tablespoon vinegar, 1 tablespoon sugar. Add some salt and pepper, and that's it. Drain the potatoes and throw them into the blender. You can smash them with a smasher too. 4 tablespoons Japanese mayonnaise, salt and pepper. Add the drained cucumber. That's it. Wow! I finished all 4 dishes with 3 minutes and 40 seconds left.
いただきます。美味しい。食べてみよう。
美味しかった。
全然美味しい。全然美味しい。
これ美味しかった。
よかった。
Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.